Hey there! Are you worried about your online security? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to transform your online security habits and browse safely. The first step to browsing safely is to make sure you're using a secure connection. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and use HTTPS websites whenever possible. This encrypts your data and protects it from hackers. Next, be cautious of the links you click on. Phishing scams are everywhere, so always double-check the URL before entering any personal information. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. By following these simple tips, you can transform your online security habits and browse safely. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to protecting your personal information online. Uplifting ending sentence: stay safe out there, and happy browsing.
We see a cluttered desk with various electronic devices and papers scattered everywhere. Hey there, it's time to get our digital lives in order. I'm here to share the top habit for organizing your digital life. Cut to a split screen, showing a messy desktop on one side and a clean, organized desktop on the other. The key habit for keeping your digital life in check is decluttering regularly. Make it a point to go through your files, emails, and apps regularly to delete anything you no longer need. Main story point 1. Set aside a specific time each day to organize your digital files. Whether it's first thing in the morning or before bed, having a consistent routine will help you stay on top of things. Main story point 2. Utilize folders and labels to keep everything neatly organized. Create separate folders for work, personal, and other categories to make it easy to find what you need quickly. We see the cluttered desk from the opening scene now organized and tidy. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll be able to streamline your digital life and focus on what truly matters. Uplifting ending sentence. So, take the first step today and start decluttering your digital life for a more productive and stress-free experience.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about some incredible success stories for beating tech addiction and share some must-try awareness hacks. First up, we have the story of Sarah, who realized she was spending way too much time on social media and not enough time with her family. She decided to set specific time limits for herself and designated phone-free zones in her house. Slowly but surely, she found herself more present and connected with her loved ones. Next, we have Mark, who used to constantly check his emails and work notifications even during his personal time. He started scheduling breaks throughout the day to disconnect and recharge. As a result, he found that he was more productive during his work hours and felt more relaxed during his free time. Remember, it's all about finding balance and being intentional with your tech use. By implementing these simple hacks, you can beat tech addiction and live a more fulfilling life. So go ahead and give it a try. You've got this. See you in the next video. Remember, it's all about finding balance and being intentional with your tech use. By implementing these simple hacks, you can beat tech addiction and live a more fulfilling life. So go ahead and give it a try. You've got this. Hey there. Have you ever stopped to think about how cloud-based living is completely changing the way we grow and evolve as a society? It's truly fascinating to see the impact it has on our daily lives. One of the most surprising ways cloud-based living is revolutionizing growth trends is through remote work opportunities. With the ability to access files and collaborate with colleagues from anywhere in the world, people are no longer confined to traditional office spaces. This flexibility has opened up new possibilities for individuals to work on their own terms and find a better work-life balance. Another key aspect of cloud-based living is the accessibility it provides to important resources